Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cutting risk and uncertainty out of the job. Turn the power off at the breaker and confirm with a non-contact tester. Once done, remove the spotlight trim and measure the hole diameter and plaster thickness so your patch fits flush. Make sure you have a backing, 1/2-inch plywood or a clip, plus a utility knife, drywall, screws, and joint compound. Start by trimming ragged edges so you have clean geometry to attach the backing securely. This makes the whole repair predictable and strong. You now install the internal backing and seat the patch. First, slide your 1/2-inch plywood or mounting bracket into the hole and drive 2 screws into sound material to clamp the backing tight. Then cut a drywall patch to match the hole. Apply construction adhesive or screw it to the backing so it's flush with the ceiling plane. Once fastened, tape the seams and apply 2 thin coats of joint compound, sanding with 120 grit between coats. This prevents ridges and gives a seamless finish ready for paint. You finish by priming and painting so the repair disappears visually. Prime the patch surface, then apply sealing paint with feathered strokes to blend sheen. Allow full drying. Next, reinstall the spotlight, fastening it to your new backing and checking clearances for trim and insulation. If you see later cracking or separation, make sure the backing hasn't shifted. Retape the seam, reapply compound, and tighten screws. That troubleshooting step fixes most failures because movement, not paint, usually causes visible flaws.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.